Hi, it's Peggy with HomeSmart. I was just admiring the golf course views. This home is on ROBERTSON Drive in Sun City West. And here is the kitchen. It is spacious and open. Lots of place to place your dishes and pots and pans because there are a lot of cabinets in this kitchen. Has stainless appliances, stainless sink, dishwasher, and again, look at all the space. And look out. You can see the golf course. Large family room that's giving you that golf course view. And it has a very large open patio. And this back patio gives you, again, the golf course views. So if you're looking for a home on the golf course, this one is really nice. Has security doors, and that is not only here, but it has the security door off of the family room, on the front patio, and on the back patio. It's a beautiful sunny day here, and it's the perfect day to be sitting out on the patio, having your morning coffee. Now this home is a split floor plan, so that's another really nice feature about this home, because the split floor plan allows you the privacy that you want if you have guests. This little nook here is the formal dining. There you can see the security doors on the front. We have verticals and ceiling fans in most all of the rooms. There's tile. In all of the walking areas, you're going to find that it has tile flooring. And when you're in the formal dining area here, again, you have views of the golf course. So that is one of the most unique features of this property, is the fact that in all different directions you have views of the golf course. When you're in one of the secondary bedrooms, you can watch the golf carts as they go by. On the patio, in the main bedroom, in the dining area, and in the living area. So beautiful home, ready for you. 602-422-5444. Thanks.